Hi to all my friends out there having to deal with COVID-19. This is Lynn. We're all having to wear masks, and a lot of us have went out, such as myself, and purchased these little blue masks. They're inexpensive. You can buy them just about anywhere. The problem is every now and then the string will break. You might be in a restaurant or grocery store and you're thinking to yourself, oh my gosh, my string broke. Don't want to have to hold my mask and carry around my food items or my phone or whatever. That's very inconvenient, but not to worry. There's a simple fix for this. Okay, so what you're going to do is you're just simply going to take the string that broke and you're going to put a little loop knot, I like to call it, just a little simple little loop. Okay, and you're going to bring it back through there just like that, real simple. You'll take the corner that it broke off of and you're just going to insert it inside the little circle that you made. Okay, then you're just going to give it a good snug pull, snug it up. Okay, you're going to be able to put your mask back on. As you can see, the repair is good and tight. It's holding. It only took a few seconds. I hope this fix helps, and everyone have a great day.